How to get Quotex promo codes. So in order to get Quotex promo codes, simply just open a browser, then go to the search bar and type Quotex promo codes. Now you can also search it on any Chrome or search engines or like any browsers. So basically just search Quotex promo codes and then wait for it to load. Now you will see all the different websites here, including this one, Ship the Deal. Then if you scroll down, you'll see WeThrift, and then you can also see a different website right here, which is called Coupon Chief. Now you can check all these different websites, and the first one is Ship the Deal. So if you go to this website, you will directly see all the available promo codes of Codex. You can even see the website itself, the Codex itself. So basically, just click Show Coupon Code, and it will redirect you to the promo code, and then you'll be able to see the promo code right here and you can copy it. Now, for Codex or the WeTrif website, basically just go to the website itself and then you will also able to see all the top promo codes for available on August and so on. And you can see here, just simply just copy the code and you will be able to just copy it directly. And then lastly we have is the coupon sheet. As I said, just simply open the website and you will be able to see all the promo codes directly by just clicking get promo codes. So they have a lot of different promo codes available, like discounts, deposits, some bonuses, and some digital options, and much more. And that's how you can basically get promo codes on Codex.